Brand marketing and profile tutorial. In brand marketing, you can upload a local Word or doc file, and the system will automatically translate the content for you. You can customize the material's name and choose to insert a link or upload material. After uploading, the system will begin the translation, and you can make secondary edits to the result upon completion. After the translation is complete, click the Generate Video button to create a digital human video from the content. Step 1. Choose your desired digital human avatar. Step 2. Select the voice. You can listen to samples in different languages, and select the one that you feel best fits your company's brand image. Step 3. You can also upload a background image with a 16:9 aspect ratio, no larger than 5 megabytes. The system will extract a summary from the translation results to use as the script content, which you can also edit yourself. After the video is generated, you will see an image that looks something like this.
Recently, Huawei's liquid-cooled super-fast charging technology has become a hot topic in the industry.
When uploading a background, try to leave the central area clear for the digital human avatar. You can add materials like your company logo, product information, and relevant images around the edges. Once the video is generated, it can be downloaded directly for posting on overseas social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, etc. To improve the quality of your video content, you can also configure the knowledge base. Use the professional translation feature to set specific translation rules for certain words. For example, translating ABC as CBA. Use the translation exclusion feature. For instance, for product models or specific proper nouns, you can add these terms here to have the AI automatically skip them during translation. In the profile, you can view your current plan and feature usage, and edit information such as your receiving email, company website, product name, product category, and description. This information will be used as variables and inserted into your templates later. Changes made here can be automatically synchronized with subsequent email sends, so no repetitive actions are needed. Additionally, you can bind your WhatsApp account here and learn how to do so by viewing the tutorial. If you need to configure an overseas AI outbound calling number, please contact customer service for assistance.